Hello, I'm Dr. Charles Moss, founder of the Moss Center of Integrative Medicine in La Jolla, California, also the author of The Adaptation Diet and Power of the Five Elements. I've been in practice in La Jolla, California since 1978, and along the way I've expanded my practice of integrative medicine to include nutritional medicine, environmental medicine, and traditional and medical acupuncture. When a patient comes in to see me with problems such as migraine, let's say, or allergies or digestive problem, we sit down and spend quite a bit of time to look at their stress history as well as their nutritional history, and we do functional medicine testing that really identifies whether there's any nutritional deficiencies or biochemical imbalances. We then look very carefully at the hormonal system through testing to see if they are where they should be for their age in terms of the key hormones. We look very closely at the digestive tract and basically take a big picture view of what I would call the terrain of the person. Many of our patients we put on an elimination diet, which I describe in my book, The Adaptation Diet, to start the ball rolling, because if we start avoiding some of our common food allergens, we immediately start feeling better. And I've seen this over and over. Headaches get better, energy gets better, joint pain gets better, and then we figure out what the diet should look like going forward from there. One of the main parts of my practice is using bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, which I've been using over the last 20 years because I found that that has a major impact on overall well-being in terms of some of these symptoms like fatigue, muscle pain, and certainly other hormonal symptoms, premenstrual symptoms, and the rest. And that integrates well with my idea about how to improve the whole hormonal system, including the stress hormones like cortisol. Everything interacts with each other. I do a lot of thyroid replacement therapy because that seems to be very, very common. Low thyroid function, thyroiditis, is very, very common. And once we get that under treatment, a lot of other things get better. I've been practicing both traditional acupuncture and modern medical acupuncture for the last 35 years. And the way I use this in my practice is to base it on the philosophical concepts that come from 2,000 years ago in China, which is that illness is a function of poor adaptation, and that the way acupuncture can really help people is to get their body energy balanced so that they can learn to adapt better to changing circumstances, which keeps people healthy. Including with the acupuncture, we'll use some Chinese herbs, but the concepts that come from this time in China are so similar to what we now know in mind-body medicine that it led me to write a book called Power of the Five Elements that linked both modern and ancient ideas on how to stay healthy. If you would like to get more information or make an appointment to see me, please go to my website, which is mosscenterforintegratedmedicine.com.